So today I wanted to break down the most common riding positions that my dog takes while we're out on the motorcycle. Firstly, look at this yawn. I love when he does that. All right, so here he is standing up. A lot of people actually assume that this is the most common or way that he rides the most often. I would say honestly, it's laying down just like this. So if I just say 80 to 90% of the time while we're actually out, he will be riding just like this. He loves it. It's comfortable for him. And then as we go, further distances, or if I go at higher speeds, we're very in tune, and he on his own will actually tuck away like this, put himself completely out of the wind, and also I can completely close the crate itself if it rains or any inclement weather to completely protect him.